People, welcome once again. It's channel shout out, boom boom boom. Let's get it going. It's Jayden Suh28, and that's one of my biggest channel member supporters, and I'm giving him this shout out because he's a member on my channel. We have Royal Pearl, Royal Golden, and Royal Diamond. He is a Royal Golden member. Hooray! Thanks for the support. He gets to put up TikTok videos of music that he likes, friends and relatives, and they're really fun. He also gets to do live streams on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I'm sure you can also get to his channel and support him. He has his 1K already. That's cool, yeah? And of course, he definitely needs to get his 4K watch hours so that we can get rocking with the advertisement. Yeah. And in his about section, he has his email there for business. He has his Instagram address there. He has his Facebook, and he also has an Etsy shop right online. So please get to join his channel, and you'll be glad you did. Support him, and he gets to support people as well very much. Thank you, Jayden. I always say I love you so very much, but God loves you way more. Bye-bye.